welcome to my channel April Floras. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for chicken fried rice. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Let's see how to do it. Here I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken which I've cut into small bite-sized pieces. In the first step, we'll marinate the chicken. For that you will need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half a tablespoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you may take it as per your taste, and some salt to taste. So we'll mix all these ingredients really well. Into this I'll also add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. You may even add lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and we'll make it into a smooth paste. We'll now add this paste into the chicken and coat the chicken pieces really well with the marinade. We'll now let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we'll prepare the other ingredients required for the recipe. Here I have half a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, and half a tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies. This is optional. 1.5 cups of finely chopped onions, and these vegetables are optional. Here I've taken some sliced carrot and bell peppers. You may even use green beans and cabbage or totally skip the vegetables. 2 cups of cooked rice. You may take any variety of rice of your choice. You will also need some sauces such as light soya sauce, tomato ketchup, and any variety of chili sauce that you have. It's been about 15 minutes now. The chicken I'll add around 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. You may even use cornstarch or corn flour. This helps in binding of the marinade to the chicken. And we'll just coat the chicken pieces uniformly with the flour. Now it's time to fry the chicken. To fry the chicken, here I have a wok heating up with some oil at medium heat. Into the oil, we'll slowly add the chicken pieces. We'll fry the chicken over medium heat until they're completely done. So it's been about 12 minutes now. I flipped the chicken a few times over. You may check the chicken. If it is not completely done, you may cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. Now we'll remove the chicken pieces from the oil. We'll now set it aside. For the preparation of fried rice, we'll use the same wok. I removed most of the oil and retained around 2 to 3 tablespoons. We'll use the same oil because it will have a lot of flavor from the chicken. The oil is heating up at medium to high heat. Into the hot oil, we'll first add the ginger and garlic and quickly saute for a few seconds. Next we'll add the onions and the green chilies as well, and we'll saute the onions until they are a little soft. Now we'll add the carrots and quickly saute for around 1 minute. Next goes in the green bell pepper or capsicum, and we'll again saute for 1 minute. Now we'll reduce the heat to a minimum and add the sauces. I'll add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. You may add it as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Alternatively, you may even use sweet and sour sauce or totally skip it. And 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. We'll give it a quick mix. After about a minute, we'll add the rice. Now we'll increase the heat to medium to high and gently mix the rice along with the sauces and the vegetables. After mixing in the rice, you may taste it and add salt if you want to. I'll add a little bit of salt to taste because even the sauces contain some salt, so it's better to taste it and then add the salt at the end. So finally, we'll add in the fried chicken and give it a final mix. Alright, the chicken fried rice is all done. Serve it hot immediately. So here's the final look of the chicken fried rice. You may serve it with some fresh salad on the side. Hope you liked my recipe for quick and easy chicken fried rice. Please do try it and let me know your feedback. You may serve it for lunch or dinner, or even take it in your lunch box. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and also hit the bell icon next to the red subscribe button to get instant notifications on your mobile phone as soon as I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box below. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.